Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to transfer photos from Google Photos to Google Drive. In today's digital world, managing photos across different platforms can be a bit challenging, especially since Google removed the automatic sync between Google Photos and Google Drive. This means there's no longer a single button to effortlessly transfer your photos from one service to the other. However, don't worry. The process is still quite straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to do it without any hassle. This method will help you download your images from Google Photos and then securely upload them to Google Drive, ensuring all your cherished memories are stored exactly where you want them. Let's get started on this step-by-step journey. First, navigate to photos.google.com and sign in using your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the main Google Photos interface where all your images and videos are displayed. Now, it's time to select the photos and videos you want to transfer. You can choose individual items by clicking on them. If you need to transfer multiple files at once, click on the first item, hold down the Shift key, and then click on the last item to select a range of files. This little trick can save you a lot of time if you're dealing with a large number of photos. If your pictures are organized into albums, it might be easier to open the album view and make your selections from there. Take a moment to double-check your selections, ensuring that you're only moving the files you need. Once your items are selected, look for the three vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options menu, located in the top right corner. Click on this menu and then choose the Download option. At this point, your browser will begin saving the files to your device, typically into the default Downloads folder. If you've selected a large number of items, they might be bundled into a single compressed file, often a zip file, to make the download process smoother. Keep in mind that downloading might take a while, depending on your internet speed and the size of the files. Make sure your device has enough storage space to accommodate these downloads, and keep your browser tab open until the process is complete. With your photos now safely on your device, the next step is to transfer them to Google Drive. Open a new tab and go to drive.google.com, again signing in with the same Google account. This continuity ensures that everything stays synced properly. If you're someone who likes to keep things organized, you might want to create a new folder in Google Drive where these photos will reside. Once you're ready, click on the big New button located on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll have the choice between File Upload and Folder Upload. Choose File Upload if you're uploading individual files, or go for Folder Upload if you've already organized your photos into a folder on your computer. After selecting the appropriate upload option, browse to the location where your photos are stored and confirm your selection. You'll notice an Upload Status window appearing in the bottom right corner of your screen. Larger files, especially videos, may take longer to upload, so be patient. It's important to keep your browser open and avoid letting your device go to sleep during this process to prevent any interruptions. Once the upload is complete, your photos and videos will be securely stored in Google Drive, ready for you to access, organize, or share from any device where you're logged in. Before you start, it's a wise move to check how much storage space you have available in Google Drive, especially if you're transferring a large library of photos and videos. This way, you can ensure there's enough space to accommodate everything without running into storage issues. And there you have it, a complete guide to transferring your photos from Google Photos to Google Drive. Hopefully, this tutorial on PMN Online helped you understand how to transfer photos from Google Photos to Google Drive quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.